Well, this is a 95 Polaris Magnum 425, and it does this thing when you go to start it. So, I happen to know what that is. So, it has this one-way starting gear. It has a bearing on it that allows it to spin one way but not the other. And this thing pops out when it turns. And that sits right in here beside the starter. So you have to take your recoil off to change it. And provided the teeth are all good on the flywheel, then this thing should start after I change this. So it's fairly simple. You have to get your chain out of the way in the guard, and you have to be able to take the recoil off. And then you should be able to pull the old one out and put the new one in. So it sits inside. It sits with this end here inside that bushing. And so you should, in theory, be able to just tip it in and get it to go in there, like so. And how it works is, when the starter motor spins this, it spins it fast enough that it snaps, and this piece spins and it extends out and meshes in with these teeth and cranks your motor over. Then when it starts, because it's got a one-way bearing on it, when the motor spins faster than this, it free spins. So the gear in the back can be driven by the starter, but then the bearing will free spin when the motor starts. So I'm going to put the recoil back on, and it should work. Alright, it's installed. Let's see what happens now. There you go. Now it'll crank over. Excellent.